John Prats is gonna be directing the concert. So, very excited po. Talagang ngayon pa lang nag-uusap na kami lagi ni Direk, batuhan kami lagi ng mga ideas for the concert. And yes, you mentioned earlier, it's gonna be co-produced by my friends. Ako, mahal na mahal ko yung mga friends na yan. Sila, Casey Tandingan and yung Constantino. Grabe yung, it's so hard to find friendships in the industry, and I'm so thankful that may mga totoong kaibigan ako. And sobrang na-touch ako one day said na, we would like to produce your concert. So parang, grabe, talagang. I love those girls so much. Ano ba? We're gonna be announcing the guests soon.
Okay.
But syempre, bilang nag-produce na naman na sila, ginas ko na sila. Mag-guest na rin sila. Sabi ko, guys, baka pwedeng kasama na rin kayo sa concert. So of course, ating pop rock royalty, Miss Yung Constantino, and ating Soul Supreme, Casey Tandingan is gonna be in the concert. So abangan niyo po yung collaboration namin dun sa concert.
Excited.
And marami pa kami i-announce ng mga surprise guests. So abangan niyo.
Siguro kaya solidified, I think I'm super fortunate and super lucky na I'm still able to do what I do po. No? 10 years after, nagagawa ko pa rin to. Hindi po lahat nabibigyan po ng opportunity na ito pa rin yung ginagawa nila. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, napakaraming magagaling na mga singer. Tapos every year, meron po laging bagong champion, meron bagong competition. Tapos ang turnover po, napakabilis. So parang siguro, this is just to mark my 10 years and to celebrate that, I'm still here and I'm still doing what I love to do. So kaya po namin napili yung name ng concert po.